or we can also format a particular dimension or particular measure instead of the entire worksheet or an entire pane. So, you can go to region, all right, and format. Okay. So, now you can select the fields that you want. So, we have 4 fields. Okay, there are 3 dimensions and then there is 1 measure. So, you can click this down arrow and select what particular field that you want to format on, and then you can select font and so on. All right. So, now we want region. Okay. So, here is region, and region you get header and pane. So, okay. So, there is no pane for region. Header will, okay. So, now that header affects the entire row, including product and product subcategory, and then totals. Okay, so this is your row total. There is only 1 row total for each row. There is only grand total. So, that's your okay, font for the totals, and grand totals again you can change grand total. So, now grand total for region. Okay, so, this is for region, right. And if you change it to say product subcategory, so now if you change the font, okay, so only product subcategory will get affected. Okay. Then you change it to product category, only product category will get affected. So, product category will affect it, nothing else. And sales. Okay, so, now sales, you not only get to change the font, okay, all of sales is affected now. So, here this will be, and you get numeric format as well for the totals and the grand totals and the default as well. Okay. So, here you can change the numeric format. Okay. So, for example, if you want currency standard is going to put 2 decimal places, and then you have lots of different currencies available. Okay. But let us say that we want no decimal places, then you can get rid of the decimal places. And if you don't care about the last 3 digits, okay, then you can change the display units, and also how the negative values are represented. You want the accounting type, or you want a negative sign in front. Okay, so these are the options you have. And display unit, you can have it. Again, this is very good for reducing clutter. Okay, you don't want numbers to be taken down all the way to the dollar level. So, you can say thousands, okay, and prefix, and you can change the prefix suffix also. So, you, and again, so the thousand separator, all right. So, this will affect the entire pane. So, this is for total and this is for grand total. And one more thing that we can do, I forgot to mention this, is to change the labels. right. So, you don't want grand total, you want, so you can okay. So, you can go here and change to say if you want all, so they'll change to all. Okay. And one more thing we can do is this grand total. So, grand total, okay, let's keep it as grand total. And here one more thing that we can do about the product category is, okay, let's hide that, and you can align this, rotate the label, and you can also use the align button from here. Okay, you can go this way, right. So, that will make the table a little more compact, and when you do that, the grand total also gets rotated. So, you can, what we can do is align this there and then do the rotation, then it will rotate just that, and the grand total will not get rotated. Okay, there is one thing I didn't I should have done is to change the title. So, right now the title is the sheet name. So, if you change the sheet name, the title also will change to that same text. So, to change the title, you double click. Okay, so now you see sheet name there with the less than and greater than signs. Okay. So, you can type over that, and then you see, well, you can type, say, sales summary by region. Right. And of course, you can change the, okay, you can change the alignment, you can change the font, color, and all that. Okay. See, now it's changed. Right.